Alright, this is a 12.2 video by Jared Caston and Danny Banky. Alright, so for the first one we gotta find the surface area of the figure. Well, since it's the surface area for a regular polygon has a equation and it's 2b plus the ph, so that's like two of the base plus perimeter times the height. So all we're doing is just gonna plug in what we know. So like since there's a square on the bottom, we're just going to take 4 times 4 to find the base area, and then times that by 2. So that's going to be, and then we'll plug that all in later. So it's going to be 2 times 4 times 4. And it's going to add on the perimeter. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That's going to be 16 times the height, which is 8. So that's what that is. And then, so 2 times 4 times 4 is 32. And then 16 times 8 is 128. Add that together and you get 160 as the surface area. Alright, for number 2, I'm sorry. Same thing. So, but circles are a little bit different. The base is going to be 2 pi times the radius squared. So that's going to be 2 pi 3 squared. And then plus the circumference is the perimeter. So that's 2 pi r, and that's 2 pi 3 times 6, which is the height. So then we plug those values in. So then the surface area is going to be 18 pi. That's going to be like the 2b, so the base doubled. Plus the 36 pi, which is going to be the 2 3 6 whatever, 2 pi 3 6 whatever. So that's 36 pi, and that's going to be 54 pi, and that's going to have an approximate value of about 169.646. Number 3, we have to find the missing side if the area is 245. So we're going to fill in what we know. So we got 3 times x, that's going to be the area. So we're going to take, or that's going to be the base area. So that's going to be 2 times 3x. And then we got to take the perimeter. That's going to be 2x because you got both sides. And then it's plus 6 because that's the 3, and the other side that matches 3 times 7, which is the height. So it's going to be a 6x. So then so it's going to be 245 equals 6x, because we're going to simplify, plus 14x plus 42. So then we simplify that again. We're going to subtract the 42 over and add the 6 and 14x all at the same time. So it's going to be 203 equals 20x. And then we're going to divide by 20 to get x equals about 10.15. And for number 4, we got to find the missing side again. If the surface area is 157, so 157 is going to, we just use like the things for like the 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r height. So we're trying to find the height. So it's going to be 2 pi 4 squared, because the radius is 4, plus 2 pi 4, because that's the circumference, times the height. And we don't know the height, so that will be h. So 157 is going to equal 32 pi plus 8 pi h. I think I put equals later, yeah, but it's plus. I think I just write over it. So yeah. So yep, I just write over that. Alright. So anyways, so then we minus the 32 pi over. So it's gonna be 157 minus 32 pi. It's gonna equal 8 pi h. Then we're gonna divide by 8 pi to get what the height is, and so that's what we're going to do. And once we plug that into a calculator, we're going to get an approximate value about 2.27 or 47. And smiley face. I like the smiley. Oh, yep, smiley face, because there's no backside, but we had to check. So smiley face. Yay.